You've started gardening. Great! Let me share with you 5 tips that will make your gardening life much more easier, much more exciting, and much more fun. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Know your geography. Some plants do well in hot areas while others do well in cold areas. Some plants do well in swampy regions while others do well generally in hilly areas. Know what's doing well in your areas so that you avoid unnecessary frustrations. Knowing what plants do well in your region can help you avoid a lot of unnecessary frustrations. A good way of knowing so is by looking at what people have successfully planted around. Tip number 2. Soil preparation and methodology. I prefer preparing my soil by mixing some gardening soil with some organic compost from the kitchen or from the garden itself instead of using a chemical fertilizer. In this way, we feed the soil and the soil feeds the plant. That's the natural way to do it. You get the best results. The fruits are sweet and the flowers smell lovely instead of going the chemical way, which is a bit faster, but well, the results are not really. We will show you in a later video how to make your own compost from nothing at all, but just garden waste and kitchen scraps. Tip number 3. Start with something simple like mint, something like cilantro, or something like fenugreek instead of something complex like rose or oregano. What happens is when you start with something simple, results are better and it acts as a sort of source of motivation. When you start with something very complex, you may end up failing and just quitting your journey there. So yes, start with something simple, moving towards something complex. Tip number 5. You have to exercise patience, my friend. You won't plant a seed today and harvest tomorrow. It takes a while. So don't get frustrated and quit your journey. Let's enjoy this together. If you are enjoying yourself and would like to continue learning, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to receive more videos from our site. Happy gardening!